How can rose petals be prepared for consumption safely?
Hello, food explorers. Today we're diving into a unique culinary adventure, preparing rose petals for consumption. Yes, you heard right. Not only are they a treat for the eyes, but roses can also tantalize your taste buds if prepared correctly. In this video, we'll guide you through how to safely and deliciously prepare rose petals for consumption.
Are all roses edible?
The first thing you need to know is that not all roses are created equal when it comes to eating. Organic roses are the safest bet because they haven't been exposed to pesticides or other chemicals. If you're unsure, always check with a knowledgeable source before consuming.
How to pick and clean rose petals.
The best time to pick rose petals is in the morning, after the dew has evaporated but before the heat of the day. Once you have your rose petals, wash them gently under cool running water. Then, pat them dry with a soft cloth or paper towel. Be sure to remove the white base of each petal, which can have a bitter taste.
What's the best way to eat rose petals?
Rose petals can be used in various ways. You can toss them raw into salads, steep them into a fragrant tea, or even use them in desserts like ice cream and pastries. For a simple preparation, try sprinkling rose petals with a bit of sugar and letting them dry. This can result in a sweet, rose-flavored garnish for cakes, cupcakes, and other desserts.
Are there any precautions to consider?
While eating rose petals can be a delicious experience, there are a few precautions to bear in mind. Always ensure your roses are edible and haven't been treated with chemicals. Additionally, some people might have allergies to roses. If you've never eaten rose petals before, it's a good idea to try a small amount first to make sure you don't have an adverse reaction. And that's how you can safely prepare rose petals for consumption. With a little care and creativity, you can turn these fragrant blossoms into a delightful addition to your meals. Happy cooking and bon appetit! Remember, the world of edible flowers is vast and exciting. So, never stop exploring, and as always, eat responsibly.